Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the latest gaming smartphone from Infinix, the GT20 Pro. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming beast, this one might just be the perfect fit. Let's break down its features, design, and overall value. Starting with performance, the Infinix GT20 Pro packs a powerful MediaTek Dimensity chipset, designed to handle high-performance gaming without lag. Paired with a high refresh rate display, this phone delivers ultra-smooth visuals, making it perfect for fast-paced action games. The cooling system ensures the device stays cool even during long gaming sessions, reducing the chances of overheating and performance drops. The display is another standout feature. Infinix has gone with an AMOLED panel that offers deep blacks and vibrant colors. With a high refresh rate, scrolling feels smooth, and games look stunning. The touch response rate is also optimized for gamers, ensuring every swipe and tap registers instantly. In the camera department, the GT20 Pro doesn't disappoint. It comes with a high-resolution primary sensor that captures detailed shots in various lighting conditions. The AI-powered enhancements refine images for social media-ready results. The front camera is optimized for selfies and video calls, delivering crisp and clear visuals. While gaming phones aren't always known for their cameras, Infinix has made sure that users get a balanced experience. When it comes to battery life, the phone is equipped with a massive battery that easily lasts through extended gaming sessions. The fast charging support ensures minimal downtime, so you can get back to gaming without long waits. This is a crucial feature for those who rely on their phones for entertainment throughout the day. The exterior of the GT20 Pro is designed with gamers in mind. It features an aggressive, futuristic design with LED lighting effects on the back, adding a stylish touch. The phone feels premium in hand with its solid build quality and ergonomic grip, making long hours of use comfortable. The customizable RGB lighting gives it a gaming aesthetic similar to high-end gaming PCs and accessories. On the software side, Infinix has optimized its UI for gaming, offering a dedicated game mode that blocks notifications and enhances performance. The phone also supports high-fidelity audio, giving an immersive gaming and media experience. Stereo speakers provide loud and clear sound, ensuring you don't always need headphones for an enjoyable experience. So, is the Infinix GT20 Pro worth it? If you're a gamer looking for an affordable powerhouse, this phone delivers impressive performance, a high-quality display, long battery life, and a unique design. It may not compete with flagship devices in every aspect, but at its price point, it offers incredible value. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider getting the Infinix GT20 Pro or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech content on FK iPhone. See you in the next one.